Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool where you can actually go copy a video link or a URL and you can actually create thumbnails for yourself with AI without editing and without typing in a prompt, and it will literally be done in seconds. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay guys, so what you need to do is you need to go to thumbnailcreator.com. So as you can see on the top left, thumbnailcreator.com. I only want to make sure that you go to the official website and not any other. So this is how the dashboard will present itself. As you can see, you can use utilities, templates, you have an editor, and you can even discover some trending thumbnails as well as video ideation. So look at all of the different ideas and templates that you can see that are trending at the moment. You can do titles and descriptions, but the main thing that we are going to be focusing on today is if we go home and we are going to create a thumbnail. So you don't need any prompt, you don't need any editing. All you need is literally a URL from a YouTube video. So from a YouTube video, what we are going to do is I'm going to go to my YouTube channel right here and I'm going to share my latest video. So I'm going to share, and then I'm going to copy this link, I'm going to paste it in, and I'm going to show you how it will then create a few different thumbnail options for me without needing an editor or a designer or using multiple different applications for it. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm going to copy that link, I'm going to go back and I'm going to paste it in right now. So there you can see it's pasted in, and then I'm going to say analyze video and generate. So what it's going to do now is it's actually going to go through the video, it's going to analyze it, and is going to create a thumbnail for me according to that. So if we go here, you can see that it is by TikTok followers and it is an SMM video. So it's about an SMM panel. If we go back, we'll actually see if it actually is what the video is about. So if the thumbnail matches the video description. Okay guys, so once you've done that, if you can, add your face because that will make your thumbnails even better. You can see that you can even go and you can add products as well, so that will make it more clear. You can skip, and then you can actually give it some custom instructions. So I'm just going to say use a light theme that matches the purple of the SMM panel, for example. So I'm going to just say use a light theme that matches the purple of the SMM panel. And what I'm going to do is you can see that I'm going to do 3 thumbnails in a landscape format. So go ahead and click that. Now it's going to analyze the video and it's going to create the thumbnails according to the instructions we just gave it, the face that you can upload as well as the product. So as you can see, this is the amount of credits that I still have remaining, and this is obviously something you can go and you can try them out completely for free. Okay guys, and as you can see, it created 3 thumbnails for me literally in seconds. So we have 3 different ones right here, and you can actually go and you can choose which ones you like. You can actually go and edit them as well. So this one is probably the most accurate to my face, but I actually like this one with the TikTok logo in the back that says followers fast. So TikTok followers fast, as you can see, get TikTok followers fast. You have a different subscription here. You have a different title here that says SMM tutorial, where it's an easiest SMM panel with a laptop in the background. This one is a light theme as well, and this one is more purple. So we can actually go and we can say edit in the editor. You can go and you can change the aspect ratio, you can change the style, for example, the expressive face, you can do bold text overlay. So you actually have multiple different options on how you can edit this to make it look way better. So you can actually go and you can add the faces as well. So train the face models because that makes it way more accurate. So we can actually go ahead and we can do that. So we are going to say edit with AI and say change the background and make it more purple and add the TikTok logo. So we can apply the edit. It's going to do that, and it's literally going to change it in a couple of seconds. So look at how quick, easy, and simple it is to actually use Thumbnail Creator. And this is actually a game changer because you don't have to go to Canva or multiple different designing applications, for example, Photoshop or any other, to actually go and make a thumbnail for yourself. So as you can see, it literally said cheap TikTok growth. It has the TikTok icon in the background and it is more purple. You can see the smmgo.io summary and you can see that the payment has been successful. So this is a pretty cool thumbnail. It's literally been made in seconds. So that is why you should use thumbnailcreator.com. Okay, guys, so all you have to do is you have to go to thumbnailcreator.com. You have to click the link below so you can go and you can get your free trial today and see how many thumbnails you can actually make in seconds without needing an editor, a designer, or multiple different applications. Okay, guys, that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.